I'm going to be showing you how to turn off safe search mode in your Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to do that, you just need to open your settings first. Just go to your app library and find settings. It's right at the top. Just go ahead and tap there. And now you need to find screen time. Just scroll down till you find screen time, which should be right below focus. So after you tap here, you just need to find content and privacy restrictions. Just go ahead and tap there. So as you can see, I've already disabled it, but you should see something like this. So this is how you see that the safe search mode is on. So if your safe search mode is on, you should see something like this. And if you want to turn it off, then you just need to disable this button that says content and privacy restrictions. So right after you do this, you have successfully turned off safe search mode in your Safari. So there you go, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.